How to manage required notifications on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage required notifications on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and let's go back first, and now click here and click these 3 points here, click on it and then click this one, settings, and now click this one, notifications, and then go down and you will find this one here, required. If you want to turn it off, just click on it, and as you see, required has been turned off, and click on it again if you want to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.